guys, so I thought I'd do a quick little unboxing with you guys. Maybe I'll try these on, we'll see. So I got my Dolly Beauty lipsticks. Super excited for these. Love Dolly Parton. Let me just open it up. Grab my little box cutter. Got these off of Amazon. Love them. Okay. Alright, so we have a little card that says, I'm so excited to share my new Dolly Beauty line with you. I hope you love what we've created as much as I do. Dolly Parton. And there's a little barcode on the back, so thanks for your order. I'll scan that and see maybe if there's like something extra there. And then the box came like this. Nicely packed with some tissue paper. And then everything is wrapped up in this, like, I don't know what type of paper this is called, but I've seen it before, like my perfumes and stuff. I did order all of the lipsticks. Oh, how nice. They threw in a little sample of her fragrance. I do own all her fragrances, her perfumes. This one is... Wait, is this a different one? Alright, sorry for the interruption. But they threw in a nice little perfume sample. I'm not sure if this is new. It looks very similar to the bottles I have, but smaller. So I may have to look this up and see if it's one I have or not. The inside says, butterflies, hearts, and hope. True inspiration from rags to rhinestones. Dolly Parton spreads love and hope around the world. Now she introduces her signature fragrance, where flower blossoms, rhinestone hearts, and playful butterflies transport us to a place where everything is possible. Open your heart to Dolly's new fragrance. Oh, I think this might be a new one. So I may have to look this up because I love her other fragrances. Oh, that smells nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. I'll have to look up and see what the notes and everything are. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at the lipsticks now. This is the packaging looks like. And here you can see the lipstick peeking through. I love the Dolly signature. And they're called the Heaven's Kiss lipstick. And then the name of the lipstick is on the front. And so let me just kind of show you all four. Super nice, very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. And you have the ingredients on the back. It's like really in there, so I'm like trying to get it out. Okay, so this is the component. Super sparkly. Love the little rhinestone. I mean, it just screams Dolly Parton. This is something I would definitely display. And then it looks like it's the push button type. Yeah. And then here is the component. And that is what that looks like. It's got the cute little butterfly. Something that I love because I love butterflies. So I love that she loves butterflies so much. I am kind of curious because this looks smaller than like a typical lipstick I have. You know what? Let me grab. Alright, so here are like my Lunar Beauty Laura Lee. Alright, so here are like my Lunar Beauty Laura Lee ones that have the same type of packaging. So yeah, they look a little smaller than the typical one. Because let's see here. There is my Laura Lee one, and here is the Dolly one. So it's just a tad bit smaller. Not much. I need to look at like the ounceage to really see the difference. Just to see if it's maybe my eyes like playing tricks on me. This part is very like plasticky. This part is very lightweight and plasticky as well. There's no kind of like weight to it, even though it has all these rhinestones on it. So they are very pretty with the detail and everything, but I do feel like the component itself needed to feel a little more luxury weighted, considering they were I believe they were $25 a piece. I'll pop it up on the screen because it's not on my packing slip to show you, because it was kind of pricey for 4, but I do still love them. So let me just open the other ones as well. So that one is Birthday Suit. Let me just show it to you again. I will say this is not working very well for me. So that's Birthday Suit. And then this next one is Rosebud. So again, rhinestones. Yeah, see, that one worked better. I'm wondering if my Birthday Suit one is a little broken. So that is Rosebud. Very pretty, like rosy pink or rosy nude. And we have Honey Plum, which is the darkest one. Okay, so again, super sparkly rhinestones. Yeah, I've gotten 2. This one is not coming out at all. To see if I can get it out of there. I'm gonna have to move on to the next one. And the very last one here is Jolene Red. Rhinestones. Okay. And this beautiful, beautiful red. Again, you got the butterfly detail, embossing. Let me work on this other one to see if I can get it out to show you. Alright, I want to show you guys. I cannot get it out. I've like tried to like pull from the bottom, push and all that. I mean, look at this. I'm like pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. It is not coming out of there. So I am going to have to contact Dolly Beauty about this one. So not happy about that. Let me know if you guys want a lip swatch video minus the Honey Plum one, because until I get a replacement. But I can do the other 3. Let me make sure they're all still coming out. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so they're all working except for that one. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a lip swatch video or not. Hope you like this just like quick little unboxing of them with me, and to kind of let you know what to expect if you got some or if you want some. Alright, if you would, please like and subscribe down below. It really helps me out and I would appreciate it. Until next time, guys. Bye.